Hey everyone, I thought I'd do an update on the Eastern Box Turtle enclosure. So, I got done playing around with all the little stuff and everything, and now we got the lights on. You can see how clear it is. This is how clear the water is. You can see the shrimp right there. I got their UVB, UVA, and a heat daylight that will come off for the night. Filter. Here's a walnut right there. You can see her head. She is hiding underneath the log, which she likes to do anyways, but I think she's mad at me. But all the fish are doing great. I still have 4. After a couple did not survive, but the rest of them has. I do need more. So I want to get some mollies or platies too, or not sure. But I got the ivy coming up still, growing beautifully. And then the Swiss cheese plant. Oh, yeah, I'm hanging it off a ribbon. It's a wire ribbon, so I tied it very good. Anyways, I can get the cords away from them, so it's not too close. So here's Walnut's hide right there. She slept in that last night. And Mr. Jackson is right here somewheres. So yeah. He's hiding pretty good in there. That's his favorite hide. When I got it from him, he loved it. So, they're both okay. Just Walnut's not happy. He's curious, though. He kept snipping her. I am wondering. Who knows? I don't know. But we'll see how things go. But yeah, that's the enclosure. Once things are more better, I do want to turn this whole thing into an actual enclosure that I can take up more room for them, so they have a lot more space than just 2 tubs and this little bridge. So we'll see what we can do. For now, this is good. They're happy still, even though she's mad at me, but she'll be fine. She'll get over it. So, alrighty. Peace out, guys.